guys, welcome again to the best part of my house, my kitchen. This is girl Andrea from Andrea Twinney's Kitchen. And you know the holidays is coming soon. It's upon us. And I just want to make sure I have the perfect table setting for this Thanksgiving. I've been doing side dishes. So I've done one side dish already. So this is another side dish I'm going to be using. Broccoli cornbread. I'm going to be doing broccoli cornbread, guys. Woo! I'm going to make that broccoli sound so good. It's going to be the best broccoli cornbread you've ever tasted. So let's go straight to the ingredients. For the ingredients, I have some Jiffy muffin mix. You understand? I'm going to be using Jiffy muffin mix. I'm going to be using onions. 1 medium onion that's chopped. Right? I'm going to be using shredded cheese. 1 cup of shredded cheese. Right? 1 cup of shredded cheese, and this cheese is a sharp cheddar. Okay? I'm going to be using butter. This is unsalted butter. Right? But I'm just going to be using 1/2 cup. And you want this butter to be softened before you use it, so it's not going to prolong the process. Okay? Salt. I'm going to be using salt, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, garlic powder, right? 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Also, in addition, I'm going to be using 3 medium eggs. Okay? So this is my broccoli here. Right? This is the broccoli that I'm going to be using. This is a 16-ounce packet, and it's chopped already. Alright? So let's go to this video. So this is the corn mix. Pour it in here. Okay, so what we're going to do, I have the corn mix in this mixing bowl and the broccoli. Right? What I do with the broccoli, you take out all the excess water from it. I have some paper towel, and I'm sort of going to squeeze it. I'm going to use the whole pack. Okay. All right. So now you give it a little toss. This time I can add the butter. And you want to put 1 cup of cheese. If your cheese is frozen, make sure they thawed out properly. So you don't want to delay your cooking or your video, okay? 1 cup of cheese. Mix it up together. You see, look at the oven, it's preheated already. 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that is what you want. Now with the eggs now. Well, let me pour in the onion. Onion goes in. I'm going to do the eggs. I don't like to beat all the eggs together. I like to beat it one at a time, because in case you have a egg that is spoiled, that spoil your whole recipe, okay? Spoil your food. So whisk it just a little bit, just whisk it. Just 1 egg. Like all fresh and nice, medium-sized eggs. If there's any shell that gets into while you're cracking your egg, remove the shell. You don't want that to get into your food, okay? And this is the final egg. Oh, you see what I'm saying? Shell has gotten in. Sometimes it's a bit stubborn to get out. Don't worry, I'll get it out. I use a spoon sometimes to get it out. Take that shell. There's another piece there. You could be a little stubborn sometimes because you know the egg is a slippery stuff, right? But trust me, you want to remove all those little shells and stuff like that. You know? And whenever you use egg, make sure you Clorox your area. Put a little Clorox and clean your area when you finish with your mixture. And you give this a mix. "30 minutes and your girl Andrea will be back." When it has been baking, it has baked in fact for 35 minutes. Okay, and look at it. Look at the golden crust. Look at the cheese and the broccoli, and look how it's leaving the edges of the pan. This is what you call cornbread broccoli. I took the cornbread from the oven. Look how it's leaving the side of the pan. Look. It's just leaving the sides of the pan, and this means to say it has the consistency of this is just perfect. Look at all the vegetables, the broccoli, the cheese, and the aroma that comes from it is out of this world. So it has been baking for 35 minutes in the oven, and I just took it out, let it cool off for a little while so I can cut it. So I'm going to cut into it and see how delicious this piece of broccoli is. So, wow. As I said, this can work as a side dish. Look at that. Look at that broccoli. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm going to take a bite of this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Besides being rich and nutritious, it is very, very tasty. So guys, this is broccoli cornbread coming from Andrea's Trini Kitchen. Like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button at the bottom so that you know you will be notified anytime I make a new video of any new videos that I've got. So subscribe and enjoy the holidays. This is your girl Andrea saying good night.